Okay, we're working on the tube here. These normally go down on the cone motors.
This one's on top too.
This one's going over the top, which I think is not the correct way, but he says his other primary's going up also. But I don't see any reason why you can't go down and make it better. When you go down, the line comes underneath all the lines over there and comes right up into it right here. When you go over the top like this, you get up in the way of the shifter because you have to go over the top of the motor mount, so it's all coming down, and the shifter gets in the way. So I'm going to knock it out and put it on the bottom. Until it doesn't work on the bottom, I'm going to put it on the bottom. There's a reason why they quit doing it this way. It sucks. There you go. So these just knock them in and out with a hammer. Just figure out where you want it to be. That's all it is. That should be a good spot. Pull it out the bottom. You can turn, do whatever it wants. I don't know if you want to go further back at an angle or not. Probably could have turned at a slight angle.
You put some goop around it or something, or?
You put the Loctite on it. It works pretty easily. Put a little red on that to stiffen up the holding power a little bit.
Clean it off with a greasy rag?
Well, I'm looking for a little cleaner rag than the greasy rag, but
You clean it right there.
all the rags disappeared down in here. The rag thief has been around, so. Was it dirty? Not really. We only thought it was dirty, it was actually clean. Come back a little further about right there, I think. Simple. We've updated to the 70 specs from 65. Instead of using this, we're going to use a black hose. This got old. It started cracking in here because it's old.
Old and brittle.
Yeah, and then I didn't even know this side here was basically a rock over here. It didn't even move. Good thing we changed that out. Maybe the next thing to break. Okay, so
Goop it.
we need to find the hardware for all this stuff to put it together. So let's grab up all our hardware. We need the nuts for the back here, and we need all the nuts on the side.
This stuff.
Where's the bolt set for the front?
Okay.
Doing your oil on those? Are they clean?
Only if you've cleaned them.
Okay, we'll put some blue Loctite on those. We got our hose clamps here. This one's a little bit on the big side. We got a smaller clamp floating around. That one's too damn big. Grab me that new pack over there. Let's get a new clamp. This is for like a 5/8 3/4 hose.
Yeah. For heater hose. For heater hose. Big,
Yeah,
big.
so we'll cut that off and another clamp out of there. Okay, we should have 4 nuts, 4 washers. Get those. That's another nut. There's the other nut. Okay, what else is missing? Where's the solenoid stuff? That's right here.
All together there.
There's a spring for that. And what kind of nuts were on the back of the starter, you know? Remember?
They're all sitting here too. I don't think anything went too far. I tried to put everything together.
There's a couple nuts way over there. It's probably the ones out of the starter because it comes from the other side. Why is this thing all out? Is there a reason why that got taken out?
I think it fell out when it all came apart.
It should never come out much as fall out.
What the hell say?
I think it's probably put together wrong. Yeah, that should never fall out. I'm working on it. Excuse me.
Yes.
Virus alert. 14-day quarantine. Could have sneezed. Where's the seal for in here?
Here,
That looks nice. That was for your seat post.
a piece of it.
We're missing a seal for that. You got one?
It probably tore off. Let's replace it.
You
You
got
another one, don't you?
Don't you have one?
Let me check.
Still in your pocket down there?
No, man, shit. I thought I had. Apparently not.
Thought you had it. Where's your gasket set that we had a whole bunch of shit laying in? Over here. There's one right there. You want to use that one?
Let's use that one.
Or you want to go buy a new one?
That is a new one.
Yeah, but you can buy this one. This one came with a bike.
Perfect.
I don't know where the set came from. Where did the set come from?
No idea.
Is it your set or is it one of my sets?
Must be my set. That one won't cost me again.
I don't know. There's a lot of stuff in this set. Looks like it was a cone motor too.
It does.
I don't know where
It's
this,
probably a multi-set.
where did this all come from. We don't know.
You got a pretty good idea where it's going though.
So you're basically taking to the cause, is what you're saying?
Going to the solenoid.
Yeah. He's gonna slam bag this thing. So that has a piece of stuff you got to pull off and stick on there. So I'll let you
take
handle
care of it
that.
right now.
That looks like a bodywork job, so I'm gonna let a body man handle that. Ex-body man. We have a problem over there?
No problem. You just got to be careful. You don't want to just
you yank
rip
that thing
and
right
tear.
out. Rip and we like ripping and tearing around here.
You'd be like a scab all
We
busted
already
apart.
proved that yesterday.
Yeah, experience.
Yeah, I got some
shit up.
experience. I got a lot of experience in screwing stuff up. I was almost an expert.
Journeyman.
No, I didn't say that. That'd be like a union job then. This is definitely not a union
This
job.
must be an old gasket.
Did you break? Look, you poured the glue off when you did that. You ripped the glue off.
You know.
See, you ripped the glue off.
Oh, dang it. And I was trying to be so careful.
You did a good job of destroying
No,
that.
just put some goop on it and stick it on there. Big deal.
Did you get any goop? You didn't bring any goop with you, really, did you?
Look at this. T+2.
It's hard to get good help around here, I'm telling you.
Gasket cinch. How's that work?
No, I think I use that stuff in the bottle right there, the tube.
Rebond?
Yeah, what's all this crap on the table here? It's hard to get good help these days. Geez, you give a simple job to somebody and they just screw it all up. It's almost like putting sprockets on off bikes. Simple jobs. Don't make a big mess like that. It's called use your finger. Do you know how to use your finger? There you go. Look at that. I knew he would figure it out.
Yeah, bitch if he's hung with a new rope.
That's right. I want a vintage rope. That damn new stuff. Hate new parts. Okay, what did I do? I got it confused on what I was working on around here. Now I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I got to work on something. I was looking for this. That's what I was looking for. You doing that right over there?
Doing left.
Did it fall off?
Yeah, pretty much.
There you go. Look at that.
I guess I should put more on it, but no, I know. Just use your finger. Don't put much on.
Well, you're supposed to put at least a layer on there, not just like a little sample. Jeez, I'm telling you, it's hard to get good help. Really hard. We prove it every day. We need some help. We need some good help, right? Obviously, we don't have any here. All right, let's see what he did wrong here. Someone obviously was having an issue. I don't know why this came out. See, it's supposed to have a longer pin on here so that it can't possibly fall out. See, they had the wrong part on here. So you got to squeeze this like that. The pin drops out. You got a cup comes out, spring comes out. Now you got a shaft with a roll pin in it. That one's tight at least. So that goes through here. See, that's your problem. You got the wrong roll pin in here. I think you left some parts out. There are more of these positions in here. Nope. Something is not correct here. Oh, dumbass. Doesn't go that way. Goes that way. Then the spring goes on it. Stupid. The problem is the roll pin's too short. It's supposed to be longer, not like another 1/8 inch more. So right now when this rotates like this, you can actually go through the shaft here and get all bound up or fall out, which is not correct. So this is supposed to be 90 degrees, so it will pivot off of it. Then you put the spring and stuff on there to hold it all together. So it goes like this. See how it pivots? That's how it's supposed to work. When you have it this way like they had it, what came out, see it doesn't pivot very well. See how it comes right through the shaft there and it's jammed up. Starter won't work. Inconsistently. See how it's supposed to go like that. There's your problem. Someone was jamming it trying to get the gear in there because they didn't put that in there yet. All kinds of issues. Who took that out?
Would have been me.
You the guy that did it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now who's going to hold this thing collapsed and then put the spring in there? The pin in there, I mean.
I'm using the one.
I know, I need a screwdriver though. This is a little stiff on my fingers.
Yeah, here's a screwdriver.
Because this is not an original part, so it's actually very sharp on my fingers as I'm trying to do this. Stick it in there.
And from the side here.
Yep.
Okay. As I am.
See, it tries to put a hole in your finger, see? Look at that. It's still there, it didn't go away yet. Here, let me rub on it. Oh, it's still there.
As long as it heals before you get married, you'll be okay.
Oh shit, we gotta be married to, that's a married finger? Okay, it's a good thing I'm not married. Okay, see now how it rotates back and forth like it's supposed to with tension on it?
Perfect.
You can even slide up and down a little bit, see, look at that. You didn't think that really mattered, did you? That way when it's installed inside the solenoid, it can float. See how that spring, see how that already moved on us though?
Floater.
You see how that thing rotated on us?
Mm-hmm.
It's not good. You don't want that to rotate at all. It needs to be at 90 degrees like that to work correctly. So that looks like it's about centered up inside of there. It's 90 degrees where it's supposed to be.
Cool beans.
Keep it that way. Don't let it rotate. How'd your gluing deal go over here?
Had it, huh?
Still falling out.
No. Once hurry up and clamp it in, it won't be an issue then.
Is that how we do it? Just get to
Slap
work?
together.
Just
Slap
work?
together.
Quit screwing around and just work. Okay, I need the quarter drive socket. It's right here. I don't need this no more. Somebody broke that. You gotta blame it on being an old gasket set. It's good. It's old. See, it's got dirt on it. It had to be old. Where's the good clamp? Didn't give me a good clamp yet. Jeez. These are all stainless steel clamps. We don't screw around on them around here. Most of your stainless clamps have a stainless band with a zinc plated screw and top piece there. These ones are all stainless. Okay, I got you a new rope over here. Why don't you leave my sealer wide open over here?
I was waiting for you to bitch about it.
See, he left that open 5 minutes and now it's getting old and hard and dry. I have to get a new tube. This is a new tube. What else you got going on over here?
We about got together, huh?
We need a 9/16 wrench, and a 1/2 inch wrench, socket, extension, ratchet, zip gun.
This is the 9/16. You got the half over there, I think.
I don't know where it's at. I got the ratchet. I got the zip gun under control.
Ratchets, 9/16 end wrench.
So get everything all lined up, ready to go. I need 5/8.
9/16 with you over there.
Look on the other side. Oh, this is old and hard already.
Do what?
This is already old and hard.
See the 9/16. It's gonna be over here.
Someplace.
It's sitting right here in front of God and everybody.
There you go. As long as it's not lost, we're good.
Mm-hmm. So, let me set these clamps on here so they're ready to rock and roll.
Yep.
Let me snug them down a little bit.
In the right direction. Figure out what direction I'm gonna go from yet?
So we can reach them from the back, right?
No, we gotta look. Okay, we are goofed up, sir. Nice and gooey now.